Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I show you how to set up and use fingerprint security on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To set up fingerprint security and register your prints, go to Settings and tap on Security and Privacy. Tap on Biometrics and then tap on Fingerprints. Tap Continue, and then, if needed, set a screen lock. Keep in mind that when your phone is restarted or if your phone has not been used for more than 24 hours, you'll need to use your PIN, password, or pattern instead of your fingerprint. When registering your fingerprint, make sure to fully cover the fingerprint sensor with your finger to prevent strong light from entering the fingerprint sensor. You can even use several fingers to register your fingerprints and you will be able to unlock the phone with any of the fingerprints. Place each finger on the sensor, then lift until fingerprint registration reaches 100%. When you're finished, tap Done. To unlock your phone using your finger, tap the screen or press the power key or side key. Then, place the registered finger on the fingerprint scanner, wherever it is located. The phone will automatically unlock if it recognizes your fingerprint. Thanks for watching. Till next time, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye.